Welcome to Love and Laugh Show. Meet the Hitachi ZX350LC5, a high-performance excavator that combines strength, versatility, and precision. Powered by a fuel-efficient Isuzu engine, it delivers an impressive net power of 271 HP, making it a reliable choice for demanding jobs. Its reinforced boom and arm, with a thick-plate single-sheet mainframe, allow it to handle the toughest conditions. But it's not all about brawn. The ZX350LC5 also ensures operator comfort, with a spacious, quiet cab featuring ergonomic controls and a multi-language LCD monitor. What sets this Hitachi model apart is its HiOS 3 hydraulic system, which ensures smooth and responsive operations, enhancing productivity. With advanced technological features like auto shutdown and eco mode for fuel efficiency, the ZX350LC5 stands as a testament to Hitachi's blend of power, innovation, and sustainability. GXD 2555R. Genesis has crafted enormous and potent machinery specifically intended for demolition and scrap processing. Tipping the scales at 25.6 tons is the GXD 2555R. It exhibits a maximum opening and pulls depth of 1.4 meters, showcasing its proficiency in handling diverse materials of any severity. What sets the GXD 2555R apart from its competitors is its versatility. This formidable apparatus is attached to the Komatsu PC4000 crawler excavator, a beast of a machine with an operational weight of up to 380 tons. The platform's rotation speed clocks in at around 4 rotations per minute, while the machine's peak velocity hits a solid 2 kilometers per hour. The engine power soars to an impressive 1875 horsepower. Accommodating the GXD 2555R is a 7-meter-long boom, further amplifying the reach and capabilities of this behemoth. The Caterpillar 650/70 wheel tractor scraper is a highly engineered machine that brings both power and precision to heavy-duty tasks. This dual-engine beast not only performs formidable excavation work but also showcases exceptional versatility, handling diverse terrain with ease. Yet, the 650/70 isn't just about brute strength. Safety is at its core, with features designed to ensure operator well-being. The operator cab, while tough on the outside, prioritizes comfort to minimize fatigue, enhancing productivity. Intriguingly, this model's roots trace back to Caterpillar's first-ever scraper in 1931, proving the 650/70 is built upon a heritage of innovation. Reliable, efficient, and imbued with a rich legacy, the Caterpillar 650/70 sets a robust standard for the earth-moving industry. The P&H 2800MK2 electric mining shovel, a product of Komatsu, is a powerhouse in the mining industry. Famed for its remarkable combination of strength and agility, it comes equipped with a 61 cubic yard bucket capacity and 120-ton payload, making it a trusted ally in heavy-duty digging and loading operations. What sets the 2800MK2 apart is its Centurion control system, ensuring superior machine health, diagnostics, and overall performance. The robust AC drive system ensures consistently high performance, even under the toughest conditions. Its operator cabin is designed for safety and comfort, incorporating user-friendly controls and excellent visibility. The 2800MK2 is a testament to Komatsu's dedication to blending power, efficiency, and safety, transforming the way the mining industry operates, one scoop at a time. The Liebherr 37XXT. The concrete pump is a prime example of innovation and efficiency in the construction industry. This stationary concrete pump stands out with its exceptional XXD outrigger, the only one of its kind that incorporates both front and rear outriggers in the same pivot axis, ensuring exceptional stability. Boasting a maximum concrete output of 135 cubic meters per hour and a vertical reach of 35.7 meters, the 37XXD ensures high productivity without compromising safety. Its flat folding outriggers make it suitable for jobs in tight spaces, demonstrating its flexibility. Additionally, the operator-friendly design, incorporating Liebherr's unique ergonomic system, allows for intuitive control, ensuring high performance while reducing operator fatigue. Compact, yet powerful, the Liebherr 37XXD signifies a significant leap in construction technology. The Dramis D150T, a cutting-edge mining truck, redefines heavy-duty hauling with its unique blend of power, agility, and durability. With an impressive payload capacity of up to 150 tons, it's well-equipped to handle challenging mining operations. The D150T is driven by a powerful 605 HP engine and features a fast 16-speed transmission, ensuring robust performance even in demanding conditions. Its remarkable traction control system allows for superior maneuverability and stability, especially on rough terrains. The Hitachi EX3600 is a mammoth in the realm of mining excavators. Its design is the perfect embodiment of Hitachi's commitment to reliability, comfort, and efficiency. With an engine output of up to 1,450 kilowatt, the EX3600 delivers the power needed for heavy-duty operations. Its robust shovel can handle a backhoe bucket capacity of 22 cubic meters, ensuring high productivity even under challenging conditions. In terms of operator comfort, the EX3600 stands out with a spacious, air-conditioned cab featuring ergonomic controls. Its onboard information system provides real-time data on performance and maintenance, ensuring optimal machine health and lifespan. Hitachi's advanced hydraulic technology guarantees smooth, fast, and precise movements, maximizing operational efficiency. Combining raw power with technological sophistication, the Hitachi EX3600 truly represents the next level in mining excavators. The Liebherr R996B is a hydraulic mining excavator that embodies power and precision in large-scale mining operations. Boasting two 1,500 kilowatt engines, this colossal machine offers a backhoe bucket capacity of 34 cubic meters, tackling extreme digging tasks with ease. Liebherr's cutting-edge technology ensures maximum productivity and efficiency, with advanced diagnostic systems and innovative hydraulic circuits for smooth, quick operations. Its Litronic Plus control system guarantees optimal machine performance under varying operational conditions. That's a wrap, folks. We've taken a journey through the world of heavy-duty machinery, witnessing the blend of power, innovation, and comfort each machine brings to the table. From fuel-efficient engines to advanced hydraulic systems, these machines redefine productivity and transform the face of construction, mining, and excavation industries. But remember, they're not just about raw power. They prioritize operator comfort and safety, ensuring that you can tackle challenging jobs with confidence and ease. So, if you're ready to elevate your operations to the next level, these powerhouses are worth considering. Don't forget to hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and insights. Until next time, stay safe and keep powering through.